People, this is Jamaica good life. This is a fisherman place. Now if you don't want to get assigned to a fisherman, you have to help him finish him place for do him fishing. So that's where I'm going to stay. So if you don't want to be assigned to your fisherman, see the greatest there from the son of the great, give them your number.
Yeah, man, 848-4265.
So you need board, you need supply for finish your thing. Yes, and when them come down, then come check you.
Alright.
And them get them thing. Is the boat up yet?
Yeah, man. So we get a boat, you know, just time.
Are you a boat?
Yeah, man.
The Ella get to you?
Yeah, man.
He get to you?
I'm having place up this year.
So wait there, where him there? Him just say, are you?
They're home, yeah.
So him too well?
Yeah, he say my get up, you know.
Him get to you? So what the man them feel about when him get to you?
Well, we don't really know them feel, you know.
But it's an honor.
Silent, you know.
It's an honor for now, so you get it.
Yeah.
At just time you get it now.
Alright.
You get change and balance before, look what you get now.
Just?
Hold this. This is for you. As a gift.
Bless you. Alright.
People.
I just time before everything happening, you know.
This is Mark.
Yeah, man.
Him just start the change and balance. But did you use change and balance in your liberty? Is that why?
Yeah, man, that's why I strive now that things will light up for me, because things change. Things change, you know, I can see. Yeah, since, alright, November, my birthday gone past.
Happy birthday.
I can see things moving forward for me, you know. And I say, it's like a giant step, you know, but
you know, get the fight we used to get. It's still there, but you know, you ignore it.
Still there up to the place when we get there with that. I hear talking and talking, because next man come to me and I say, really, you know, nobody don't come to me. I said, not pay nobody.
Did the man put it in writing when him gave him place?
Nobody, he gave me the keys. You know, he's a man, old man, he can't read. Maybe he can't sign his name, because without the signing name and the
one day I have to bring me to him house, because if I interview him, tell him story.
we want things, man.
We want things.
He's not really on nobody, you know.
So then we have to visit him so the people can support him.
He don't really have nobody.
Just time, I could go to the boat. But want them to support you.
Just be around time and I got to.
Me want them to support you. People, please support you. You have a number. Link him. You have your own fisherman ladies. And if you want, you're still married out. What the position?
Well, position. We're apart for like a while.
Okay.
You know, that's a real close and came together. A couple months now.
Just time.
Just time.
So wait there, you need an engine. The engine there, that's
No, it's me engine them.
Are you engine them there?
Yeah, man.
So when you gonna bring me out? Serious thing, you know?
Yeah, I'm engine them. Well, you feel you know you have to have get a pass.
I have a license, you know, bro. People, Jamaica good life.
Yeah, man.
See there?
Yeah,
This is one of the first disciples change our balance. And we started on our camping up. Look on the change and look on the balance.
Yeah, man.
So me and you one day, your phone at work?
Yeah, man, my phone work. Phone working up straight.
So when I call you, me and you, me will row the boat.
Just get on a date.
I will row.
Well, guess what? No, I'll row the boat because I know the spot to take you.
No, we row a little bit away and then you finish it. I want help, you know. We don't want up on the boat and
yeah, man.
push out. Because if you teach me,
that's what I said.
Mark, you're the teacher.
I can learn how to.
If a student come to you and say, Master, please teach me.
Remember, you have to learn to row the boat till you can drive the engine. Because if the engine fail, you know, where to sit down and blow it.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I have no. Because we're not going to see without it. I'm a paddle. Because if even the paddle alone, I can't manage, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
I'm so proud. This is a big change.
Yeah,
this is a big thing. So now them can't stop, you know. A problem. People, he is the son of the greatest fisherman in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, in Jamaica.
And then get a fight, you see. But like how you smile now, your energy is different, Mark.
Yeah, man. Well, to tell you the truth, I feel different physically from mentality.
Mm-hmm. Well, you eat nothing different? You take the vitamins?
To tell you the truth, I'm not taking anything, you know, it's nature. I go on camera trying to take care of me. Things change. We say changes.
Mm-hmm. So you balance up now?
Yeah, nature, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's nature.
People?
With the change and the balance. Because that's true nature that teach me. You know. The change, the balance. Reach where I want. You know.
A long time we just sit down and wait for you, you know. Once we put it in here, you know, we just sit down. You know when you plant a seed and just And it's a process.
Yeah, man, Germany, man.
See the man, this is the
That's
real
right.
Rasta man there.
I say, I even sit down and say to myself, say, boy, just started to see it burst out and try to grow and cover with thorns, you know? Lot of thorns. Just a little sunlight, more for us pitch me, you know, for us fight through them thorns if we reach up to where we want to reach, you know what?
And enough people want
The
a
light is touching.
enough people want a fisherman friend.
Well, to tell the truth, you know, I may have a fish virgin over there, you know, he come and he promised me to buy him a boat and all things, and then little more. I get him number, I call him. Oh, what am I so call him? I call him. Just block my number from his phone, I'm not really feeling.
Because you have your own thing. And then in no time
you're
you're
I didn't have this.
gonna get your engine.
You know, but
So if you
this was in the
if you get a 15 half power, which is about
that's a good engine.
4,000 US.
Yeah, that's a good engine, man. 15 horsepower can push this one. 15 horsepower. 50. That's
15.
That's like 15 horsepower. Another
That's a
15
bomb
horsepower.
squad.
Bomb squad.
People,
15 horsepower can push.
people, see the business plan there? $4,000 in payback in our 6 months.
Yeah, man, 6 months. I can more.
Sign the contract at
Careless.
justice at the peace.
Can more and can less.
Yeah,
You know, depends on the fish
yeah,
catch.
yeah. Give them your number again slowly, please.
My number is 484 4265.
See the business plan there, people.
Yeah.
This is the man who have to invest in it because him no change and balance and can't do no wrong.
Well,
Because the thing have a balance.
to tell the truth, you know, this they never want to see me have on the beach, you know. Because if somebody catch no fish, so they don't like the same time someone catch no fish.
You know what I'm going to do for you? I'll start mix the juice for you. So you have electricity in your place?
No, we have electricity, but to get it now,
So you can't pay for it?
to hear me, me alright, me alright.
Well, oh, no,
Me
wait,
alright, sir.
wait.
Wait, no, to pay for electricity now.
How much per month?
More sure, sir. We have a cooperative union down here.
Yeah.
Going on now.
Uh-huh.
And if you look upon the beach,
But your fans, the lady will love you, or your fans will pay for it for you. You know what I'm tell you, sir?
okay, I understand.
They will say, you know, Mark,
Well,
we are going to
do-
business. Let me pay the electric so you're comfortable.
Well, what I have to do now is just get my own meter then since it's
Yes.
I mean, I don't know nobody and hook on and
No,
tell
no,
me say
hook on.
it's XYZ.
No.
Yeah.
Find out how much we get the meter and everything, do the right thing.
So if
So
you pay
one-
$50, that's $50. I mean,
That is it. No. So you can get a TV and frame it on a little metal box for you.
Okay, I understand.
And a nice little couch.
Well, what more I want is a nice little deep freeze.
Deep. Hey,
That's all.
then I want, that's why you want the
keep it
electricity.
free. My fishes when I catch.
Do your business.
I understand. Not really the TV, you know, because
Cause then you're
TV fanatic, you know,
but yeah, what? But you'll be able to know.
first.
You'll be able to know not only do your thing, but do your thing.
Exactly.
You see
So
me?
I can set my eyes, you know, when I come in and can store my fish. Yes, that's the thing.
Yes, you want a
Then
deep
the TV
freeze.
can come after.
The big man will call you. The big woman will call you. Them will call you.
484 4265.
Them will call you. Because
Mark, you know?
me just put it out.
What disciple, you know, you get in the Bible? Yes, Mark was one of the disciples.
Mike,
you know.
tell us what Mark the disciple.
Oh man, I'm a feel so blessed as one of those disciples. Just like my daddy, you know, to feed the almighty nation.
So would you give some of the fish to the elders when you catch fish? Me can go, when you come in and you got my number and you come say Ran, me could go feed the
Ran,
multitude.
listen
You will
now.
you will
Listen
cut up
now,
the fish and go with me to feed them
Ran,
on our bicycle. Cause if the car is done, would you ride with? You see where Ricardo is now.
Yeah, man.
Would you ride with me to give fish away to the poor people?
To give away fish is nothing to me, you know, a joy. You know, when I used to fish with one man, you know, this big man, you know, having businesses, you know. My friend, one man friend, you know, small man, old man was so powerful. You think have all of his friends is big business people, I realized. Say Huggins. I'm gonna catch a fish, man, because I catch it in a vast amount, you know. Say, just sell me it, you know, a package, just send me a package and then weigh up and pay your money. And laugh and say. So, you know, what about the little old lady will come and have the whole line money now who want to eat some fish. Yeah? Oh, sure, she not get him. So you go clean it, pack it in the supermarket and sell. She not get. And several times the people come, Mr. Hawkins, say my pound of fish I lost money. He goes, you not even way give them. I'm a PM, say, take it, I go buy a flour. Yeah, man, so.
Well, I'm so happy
thing,
for you.
Man. Well, I'm happy for myself.
Just time. So we now can put a little change and balance on it too. A little sticker.
Yeah, man, sticker can go on the well, alright, well, just time. Just time is gonna change too.
Oh, you have to change the name?
No, man, that name won't change, man.
More on my own boat.
Just the boat out.
Now go get more one after you don't teach me.
Alright, well, the boat out change. Go repair it.
I go repair it.
Yeah, man, repair, man. What my plan to do, open the back a little wider. Because the engine can sit and more comfortable and more comfortable space. I'm going to take out all of them things. If you notice. So, and even the bottom. You understand? Even the bottom. So, you're leaking palm right, you know.
Yeah, say to me.
So
what you need to seal it?
No, man. What more? Instead of sealing it and leaking it over. Don't take out all of them things. Because it's a
put
fiber.
New one.
Well, no. Fully fiberglass, right through.
Okay. So whatever you need.
All the thing we put on board these are.
So whatever you need help with, you'll talk to your fans. So, she will call. He will call.
Okay, whenever they call, put it to them and we make some arrangement.
Yeah, man.
However.
Yeah, come in tonight, you know. Them have your number.
Yeah.
So anything you want them do, a phone up thing.
And okay, you will be the contact now.
No, them call you. That's why I'm gonna put my number in it.
What about their part of it?
What do you mean?
Them will get
part of
part of things where them do for me. Fish, whatever they want.
No, man, some of them don't want nothing. And when them forward, them are going to see you. Some people out the road, them don't want nothing.
Well,
them just, some people out the road, them don't want nothing. Them just want to help you.
Well, and I need help also.
You see, so, some people don't want nothing, you know. Them just want to see somebody who had something progressive.
Well, still, I'm like that too.
Because when them,
you
see, once you and them get a good friendship, and they know say, yo, my fisherman bridging Mark, they are mobile. You see when the plane land?
Well,
Mark, come at the airport.
Well,
Mark, did you catch the fish them for me?
No,
Mark, what the lobster
that's what I want to know. So
Mark,
you
what
tell me
lobster
before you come here.
Mark, you can sew hammock. Mark, did you make my hammock for me? They might go develop relationship.
You want a hammock, but you
not go buy the car.
Yeah,
not go buy a thing.
Alright, tell them how
but that's how them are going to set you. Simple. The reason I do them video because there's people out there that wants friends. Them want friends that is good. This is Jamaica good life. It's not Jamaica scam life. It is not Jamaica bad life.
Well,
it's not Jamaica thief and lie life. It's Jamaica good life.
My fans want to be my friends. Listen, I'm going to tell you this straight up. I don't have much friend in Jamaica here and I don't know why. I don't know about nothing. Just trying to be good, but not for these people here. I don't like when you're doing good. You know? Don't like just as what you want to do to an next person out there. Don't have anything I would like to help them. Them don't like me. Plenty of people here. So that's why I'm getting that type of fight.
But when the good one line up with you,
so we'll come.
You're gonna get,
it's a connection.
You're gonna build a whole.
You know,
I want you to build your own circle by yourself.
But I'm by myself.
You're Mark. You're a man of biblical name. So you do your thing with your people that is coming.
Yeah, whenever they come, they'll see the type of person. They will grow to see the type of person I am.
Yes.
I can't say I'm good enough, and I won't say I'm bad.
You have to demonstrate it.
You understand?
Yes, yes.
But when you come around, anybody come around and are stupid, them can see and know the way you treat them, the way you move things. Yes, that's it. People will see that.
You must see not enough people number I put out there. Because in Babylon, stop it when you say a number, then stop the video.
Okay.
This is Randy. And I want to say we started with Mark long time ago. And just in time, the elder will leave it to him pass the time. So more of the good people them to link him up.
And really the elder passed off yesterday, but
him pass it on.
Yeah, he just passed it over. Even give me the papers for the boat. So and
give you the papers.
and everything fully fit. Man.
So happy for you.
So it's a license now, saying so much anything I want to do with this. So what I'm gonna do, get it signed over to me, in my name. That I could license it in my name. So it makes sense me license it back in his name and he's not going back to see him. So I'm going to
So make sure you do it with him
yes.
as soon as you can.
Yes. I have a farm already.
Well, do it quickly.
You know? Yeah.
Because
So what I'm doing,
yeah.
take care of it.
Take
time care.
Save it.
I'm not really on a buy.
Are you take care of him?
Yeah, I'm going to do a little thing out that, you know. That's why I'm telling him say right now. Because I have a boat I'm fishing with a man. I just get a little percentage out of it. That's a working percentage. But this now I tell him say, alright, guess what? Even 2 days a week,
You bring something in for
go
him.
out with it.
Yeah.
Whatever me catch, he can get a little something. That's eating food. You have to know from when we go buy meat, I guess every time for buy me.
Well, I'll take care of the elder, you'll be blessed.
Oh gosh, man.
So people, just time.
Just time. I'm like anyone.
You see me? We love it, man. Just time, you know? You just take your time and everything will change the balance.
Yeah, man.
I mean, like when you grow up, I'm proud of you.
Yeah, yes, man.
I'm going to look on the place too.
Proud of myself, man. Well, this could have done a long time. I told me get the comfort.
But not just time, man. I don't tell you.
I didn't try to finish the right time.
Just time, brother.
Just time to everything.
Hey, not just time and things will change. Look on the big sea where you are. The big sea. Ain't it that?
To some things reach when you just put it one side. This one that talks about clean it up and buy some more in it and grind back point. So, all them things are back in motion for me again. Sniff back everything back up.
Yeah.
Timing. Because you can't drop the gun.
So people, the friends and fans of Mark, not
just windows and door. Just windows and door and
a big man I go call you, you know. Cause him live in Moby and I say, yo Mark, are you more want me fish them from, you know. Make sure say you know, say when him live here, so you know, I say Mark, when your thing are coming, when we land at the airport, make sure.
It's like you record this thing. I don't really say some certain things.
But don't worry about it. Positive.
Exactly.
Positive.
Yeah, I know I go for a record, but no people kind of fight everything just so me.
Alright, sometimes you have to forget about people and just think about God.
No, that's why I don't want to speak.
No, say
I say Moby, man, Moby, really.
No, I mean, man, we live here, I come from States. That's what I mean.
Okay, because I'm an old man from out.
Yeah. But here what?
Full of corruption.
But there's good people who are coming in.
And there's good people who didn't Moby, so we have to keep themselves on.
Because them know the things said.
Exactly, I can't make
so we do it on that. Alright, until next time, slowly say the number again.
484 4265.
Alright, people.
Yeah, that's more. Yeah, right.